Hello and welcome to the Gentle Jungle with me, Emma, and Nola. Nola's going to help us to warm up. Hi, Nola. Roll your shoulders back. Put your hands on your shoulders and roll the elbows back. And now your arms. Change direction to roll the arms forwards. And then the elbows. And the shoulders. And shake your body. Squeeze your shoulders and relax. Squeeze, relax. Squeeze and relax. And shake it out again. Spread your legs and bend your knees down and up, down and up, down and up. Bring your feet together and stretch up tall and touch your feet. Stretch up tall and touch your feet. Stretch up and down. Walking on the spot. Then run and freeze. Run and freeze. Run and freeze. Put your hands on your hips and make big circles. Swing your arms backwards and forwards. Shake out your feet. Fantastic! Let's play a game. We are going camping. What do we need? Let's get our bag first and open it up. What's the first thing we need? Nola says water, so let's pretend to go into the kitchen, fill up our water bottle and pop it in the bag. What next? What do you think? Nola said she's going to get some snacks. Remember, we are using our imaginations here, so she's pretending to reach up high in the snack cupboard and pop them in her bag. What do you think should go next in the bag? Where does that live in your house? Is it up high or down low? Or do you need someone to help you get it? Nola is getting a saucepan and some beans. What else do we need to go camping? Off you go to get it. It's nearly time to leave. Make sure you've packed something to keep you warm at night. It gets cold in the jungle at night time. Is there anything else? Anything else we might need? Now is your chance to get it. Nola is getting her pajamas. It's time for us to leave, so zip up your bag and put it on your back and let's go. Now for our monkey stretches. Breathe in and out here for a few seconds. Put your left hand on the floor and bring your right arm up and over to the left, creating a nice stretch through your right side. Remember to keep breathing in and out. Breathe in as you come back to the middle and breathe out as you reach over to the right side. Keep breathing in and out here. Over to the left. Now to the right. And back to the centre. Breathe in, then as you breathe out, twist to your left. Breathe in and out here. Come back to the middle. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, twist to your right side. Breathe in and out here. Then back to the middle. Take a few deep breaths here. Bring the bottoms of your feet together, your knees out to the sides. Your feet can be close or further away. Hold your feet with your hands and move your knees up and down like the wings of a butterfly. Keep your hands where they are and reach forward like you're smelling a beautiful flower. Flap your wings as you fly to another flower. Reach forward to see what it smells like. Once again, flap your wings as you move on to the next flower. How does this one smell? This is your favourite one, and you'd like to stay here and lean forward to eat some delicious nectar. Once you've had enough, you can come back to a sitting position. You decide to fly over to a rock to rest. Now you can come into a kneeling position, or you can sit on your bum if that's more comfortable. Place your hands on your lap, and you can either keep your eyes open or close them. Imagine you are a rock. You can feel the breeze sweeping over you, but you keep completely still because you are a big, strong rock. Nothing can affect you. Nothing can push you over. Nothing can move you. You are resting in your position, breathing in and out slowly, feeling how strong and steady you are. How does it feel to be strong and steady and restful? You could try putting one hand on your chest and one hand on your belly if you want to, or just keep your hands where they are. And now you can open your eyes and get ready for a massage. Nola and I are going to show you how a gentle, fun massage can help you to stay calm and relaxed in the jungle. Would you like me to make shapes on your back today, Nola? We always ask permission before touching someone. Nola has said yes, please. If you don't want anyone touching you right now, that is okay, and you can say no thank you. You can massage a soft toy instead if you want to. Today, think about the different feelings we can create on the body using our hands. Use the fingertips, the whole hand, the side of the hands. Try different things. Remember to talk with your partner about what feels good for them and what doesn't. Now you can rest your hands on your partner's back. Thank your partner for your massage today. And now you can swap. Remember to ask first if they would like a massage before you touch them. You can rest your hands on your partner's back. Thank your partner for your massage today. How do you both feel now? Next, we will do some breathing together. We need some fire breaths to light our campfire. Take a deep breath in and imagine you're breathing out fire. Try it with me. A deep breath in. And again, a deep breath in and breathe out fire. Once more. Breathe in. Make this a good one. Hooray! You can keep your eyes open or close them, whatever feels good for you right now. Think of a rainbow and all its colours. As you breathe in, imagine you are breathing in all the colours of the rainbow. As you breathe out, imagine you are breathing out a rainbow into the room. Breathe in the colours red and yellow and pink and green, orange and purple and blue. Now breathe out your rainbow into the room. Again, breathe in the colours red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. And breathe out your rainbow into the room. Keep going. One last time. Breathe in the colours. Breathe out your rainbow. If your eyes are closed, you can open them now. Can you hear the bell ringing? That means our positive thought for the day has arrived. I wonder what it will be. I am peaceful. Can you say it with me? I am peaceful. I am peaceful. You can get yourself comfortable now, ready for our relaxing jungle story. As you begin to get comfortable, you can choose to close your eyes or softly keep them open. Whatever feels good for you today. Try to be still and imagine that you are in the jungle as the sun goes down to rest for the night and the moon begins to shine brighter and brighter. Lie down on the cool grassy ground and let your body go soft and relax. See if you can keep still as you listen to the jungle animals settle down for the night. Keep your head still. Keep your arms still. Keep your belly still. Keep your legs and toes still. Look up and see the stars dancing in the black night sky. There are no clouds in the sky tonight, just the stars and the big white round moon. It feels so lovely looking up at the stars and the moon. You are comfortable. You are calm. You are peaceful. You hear the jungle animals settling down to sleep. You hear rustling on the ground and in the trees where snakes make their way home, the monkeys getting cozy, and the birds settling down to sleep. Then there is silence. Stay here for a while to enjoy the silence. You feel a soft jungle breeze sweep over your body. You take a deep breath in, breathe out, and you relax even more into the ground beneath you. You realize how peaceful the jungle becomes at night. You smile, remembering the adventures you had today, but you are ready to relax and enjoy the quiet that the jungle brings now. You can come back here to watch the night sky and enjoy the peaceful silence of the jungle whenever you wish. When you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes, have a big stretch, and open your eyes.